Introducing the only e-bike small and light enough to carry in a backpack. The SMA Circle S1. SMA Circle is more than just an e-bike. It's your new everyday companion for better, easier transportation.
My name is Sean Gui-Wu. I'm the co-founder and chief marketing officer at SMA Circle Technology. So many of us experience problems in our commutes, traffic jams, crowded public transportation, and distance that too far. We committed to creating the best possible solutions.
Because of its carbon fiber frame, it weighs a mere 15.4 pounds. As soon as you're ready to ride, you can be on your way in seconds with 5 easy steps. Monitor your speed, distance, your lights, your battery, all while charging your smartphone. The S1 is durable and tough. It can easily carry up to 220 pounds. With its sleek, modern design, the S1 gets you from A to B in style. The SMA Circle S1 will keep you cruising at a speed of 12.4 miles per hour. The simple handlebar thumb control allows the rider to adjust speed. The left thumb brake will quickly and safely stop the S1. When your ride is done, simply use the SMA Circle app to lock your S1, making it unusable to anyone but you.
SMA Circle team has spent countless days on research and development. We want to design an e-bike. Not only can save energy, but also can save time and space, so you can take with you wherever you can.
Whether you're commuting to work or cruising through the park, the S1's adjustable seat and handlebars always make for a comfortable ride. The SMA Circle S1, the most portable and lightweight e-bike available today.
Something simple. Something beautiful. Something light. Something to challenge you to hold higher standards every day. Don't settle. Go. Ride. Create new paths every day. Whatever you want to do it now. Live life to the limit. There are only so many.
So fly, I don't wanna lose that somebody. I don't wanna lose somebody, somebody, somebody. I don't wanna somebody.